At Herb Paint and Stucco, we aim to impress. Don't settle for less. Get something that stands out from the rest. Herb Paint and Stucco-E.I.F.S installation. With expert knowledge, experience, and skillful craftsmanship, we can provide an exquisite and harmonious design. Look at the trim work we did on this commercial building. We even added texture to the moldings by hand. This is a collection of before and afters from some of our exterior insulation finish system projects. As you can see, we can take any existing exterior, like brick, and convert it to a modern stucco finish like in the photo that just passed. We can use trim to capture any architectural style to suit anyone's taste. Give your home a facelift or make your new build stand out. Use exterior stucco to transform and elevate your property's exterior design. Herb Paint and Stucco. We make it beautiful.